Do you want to increase your influence? All right. If you're like me, I think that you do. But how do you actually go about doing that? How do you increase your influence? The most important factor that you have as a leader is your influence. Without it, you will not be able to accomplish anything. No matter how hard you try, if you do not have a solid influence on others, they will not do anything that you ask or you tell them to do. Now, people may do what they have to because of your position, your title, or maybe even rank if you're in that type of an organization. But I guarantee they will not want to do anything that you ask or tell them because of those reasons of your position, title, or rank. Okay? They will actually resent being told what to do most times, or they'll just do it just because, you know what I'm saying? But they won't want to. Now, here's the thing. Here's the idea. The idea is to inspire. You want to inspire people to want to do things versus having to do them, and you have the ability to do that. You have the ability to do that, but you know what? It's all encompassed within the influence that you have on those people. Your influence is built from many things, okay? And that's what I want to do within this video right here. I want to share with you some things that your influence is built upon. In other words, how do you build or how do you increase influence? First and foremost, your influence comes from your reputation. Your reputation will speak volumes. It will actually speak before any actions that you may take after your reputation is destroyed. So you want to make sure that you build a solid reputation. You want to build that trust, and you want to make sure that you haven't done anything that destroys your reputation. That's how you build influence. That's the number one thing that you build influence on is your reputation. It's been said that people, they don't really care what you say, but they will definitely remember what you do. And even more importantly, they will remember how you made them feel. That's influence right there. If you can embark a feeling upon someone, or you can make them feel something more, something greater, you will have a reputation for that. All right, moving along. Your ability or even desire to help others. You would really be surprised how much your influence is based on your desire, your ability to help others. Most people, they say they don't want help or they don't need help. And then there's those ones that actually do reach out and they want the help, okay? And they will remember that. Believe me, that will also speak volumes. If you help someone, they're going to remember that. They are going to remember that. All right, moving along. Your knowledge, that is huge. But you know what? I've seen some people that know a lot of things, but they don't know how to put it into application. Knowing something, but not really knowing how to apply it or even when to apply it is dangerous. There are many people that are out there that are just intelligent, I guess so to speak, derelicts. They know a lot of things, okay, but you put them in a position in which they actually have to do something, they're nervous, they're scared, they can't take any action. But they know the answers. And all they are full of is just those answers. That hot air that just continuously comes out of them. Okay? And that doesn't get you very far. However, your knowledge does have an influence on other people if you use it properly and if you show someone the proper way to do things by imparting that knowledge and, more importantly, the action behind that knowledge, building that trust. All right, the other thing is your experience. Here's the thing. You can have all the knowledge in the world, okay? You can do that. You can read books, you can take classes, you can take courses, and you can gain a lot of knowledge. But experience, oh my goodness, that's on a whole different level right there. You have to actually go out and do things in order to gain that experience. You don't gain experience by reading books. You just don't do that. You want to gain experience on how to do something? Go do it. And then take your experiences that you've learned and go teach that to other people. Okay? Now, here's another one. This is a really good one right here. The trust that others have in you. Once people have lost their trust in you, you're done. You are absolutely done. okay? But if you want to have influence over others, you need to build trust. Now, how do you build trust? You build trust one thing at a time, one action at a time, helping one person at a time, doing something for one person at a time, and then continuing that action. By being consistent and by being persistent, over time you will build trust. Now, I get it. There's certain things that, immediate trust is kind of given, so to speak, especially when it comes down to position or rank. But I guarantee you that over time, if you're not performing, you're not helping, you're not doing something for others, you're not providing value, you're going to lose that trust. And once you've lost that trust, you're done. All right. So another one is the way that you treat others. The way that you treat others will have a huge impact and a huge influence on them. Okay? Sure, anybody can be negative towards someone. Anybody can be bad towards someone. Anybody can really, just treat somebody other than positive. All right? And I guarantee that the way that you treat someone, whether it be the way that you talk to them, the way that you do things for them, the way that you look at them, can have a profound impact on that person. So be mindful of how you treat others, because that will also increase your influence. Here's a big one, the way you communicate with others. This is huge right here. It's been said that the reason why most teams fail, most marriages fail, most anything fails between person to person is the lack of communication, or the failure to communicate. Okay. Now, communication, I can do a whole other video on that right there. And I do have some content that I can talk about effective communication and how to communicate properly with other people. I can do that. I have a video that I can do for that. Okay. But the way that you talk to somebody has influence. Okay, if you talked down to someone or you talked negatively to someone, I guarantee you they are not going to want to do what you're asking them to do. If you're yelling at someone, I guarantee you that they're going to shut down. They're not going to want to do. Now, granted, I've been in those teams and those organizations where yelling is a method. Okay, I grew up with that. It's a method. All right, but you don't want to lead any team through fear. You just don't want to do that. You want to treat others with respect and communicate effectively with them, asking someone versus telling them. And this list could actually go on. I could go on and give you all kinds of tips and tools and techniques that will help increase your influence, but I'm going to kind of stop there. However, the conversation does not have to stop. If you would like to leave a comment, please do so below. Let me know, if you have any tips, tools, or techniques on how to build influence with others. So, once you have established your influence, you do not want to do anything that will jeopardize it. Its impact will be absolutely devastating. And that's my goal. So I have a goal here. I want to make a series out of this. So I'm going to call this the Leadership Is series. All right, well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to talk about a word, one word, within the videos of this series, the Leadership Is series, and I'm going to talk about what that word is, what it means to me, and how it can be used within life, leadership, business, marketing, advertising, whatever label you want to put on it. So today's word was influence, all right, and how to increase it. All right, and that's my goal right here. I'm going to make videos talking about one word. Now, it doesn't really stop there. If you have a word that you would like me to talk about, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and every video else a thumbs up, and leave me a comment of what word you would like me to talk about. Here's the thing. This is exactly what I'm going to do for you. For everybody that engages with me by watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, giving me a thumbs up, and leaving me a comment of what they thought of the video and what one word that they would like to hear me talk about, here's what I'm going to do. If I select your word and I make a video for it, I will give you a personal shout out within my video. And on top of that, I will also add in the description a link back to your YouTube channel and saying that that word came from you. What that's going to do for you is it's going to bring visibility back to you through my channel. I want to help you grow as well too. And I want to bring visibility back to you. So help me, I'll help you. That's how this works. Okay? And I want to talk about as many words as I possibly can. So please give me some ideas. I've already got probably about 100 words that I could talk about. Okay? But I want to make sure that I'm talking about the things that you want to hear about. All right, so please leave me a comment. Let me know what one word you would like to hear me talk about. And if I choose your word, once again, I will make a video, give you a shout out in that video, and I will add your channel to the description of the video, bringing visibility back to you. All right, so thank you for watching. And if you found this valuable, once again, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment letting me know what you thought and what other one word you would like me to talk about. And I will engage back with you. And if you'd like to connect more from me, you can do so by visiting my website, terrythompson.me. There you will find all of my books about life and leadership. There I'm also giving away 2 books. So I have 2 books that I want to give you for free. And all that I ask for is your email address whenever you sign up to receive these books. I promise I will not spam you. I absolutely do not spam everybody that have put their faith and trust in me to receive my content. I will give you all of my content for free. I'm not trying to make a sale. You want my books? I will give them to you. All I ask for is engagement and that you share my content. That's all that I ask for. I will give you 2 of my books right up front for free. How to Live Your Best Year Ever in 2019. And I will give you my audio book, Leadership Solved, absolutely for free. All I ask for is your email. Once again, all I do is I send out more motivational content, links back to my videos, and that's all that I do. I don't spam people. I'm here to serve you. I'm here to provide you value, purpose, motivation, and direction in a goal that will lift you up higher and direct you towards personal or professional success. You can also connect with me on social media. All right, so I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram. Obviously, you know me here on YouTube. So don't hesitate, reach out to me. My website, once again, is terrythompson.me. There you will find links to all of my social media, my books, more content from me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.